Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from anywhere you are around the world. I'm still your favorite, the king from OB Real Estate. Today, we are in Akweze, in an Ocha local government area, where we want to show you tell you about this business place where we are in. We are currently at Shibros Plumbing Works Nigeria Limited. Shibros Plumbing Works Nigeria Limited deals on all kinds of plumbing mechanics. They are dealers and suppliers of building and plumbing materials. In this place, you are going to see all sets of water system, fan connector, set baths, sets of WH basins, kitchen sinks, saw blade, and what have you. There are so many plumbing materials in this shop. So follow me. Let's go and meet with the owner to tell us what that we need to know about here. Join me. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning,
Can
sir.
you one?
I'm
locally.
Yes, sir.
Biko gwa ya afa gị.
My name is Chike Nzamiwu. I'm onye Orele.
Okay, you are from Orele.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Are you the owner of this place?
Yes, I'm owner of this place. I'm one shop.
Okay, go ahead with shop. Okay. Gwa if you name back. Why if you name?
Okay, you name bụ na I'm alụ. I'm na melele. Na-ele ihe gbasara plumbing material ma WC ma basin ma tap every type of material plumbing material I have ndị na-ele and aha m alụkwa alụ ebe supply ya aha m eme supply and work. Yeah, every time work of plumbing work I supply and do everything.
Okay.
About
So, show us some of the things that you sell. The name, Afia,
okay.
Then my prices here, my quality. They were fake, they were quality. They were fake because quality, what say my company name.
Okay. This is na na-akpọ nke a telephone shower. I'm a telephone shower. Original one. This will not be fake. Original thing.
What company name?
Choice product.
Okay, Choice product.
Oh yeah, it's original thing. Nke a bụ telephone shower. Ihe gbasara a na-ahang ya na ebe a na-asa ahụ.
Okay, yeah, bathroom.
Ebe a na-asa ahụ, eji asa ahụ, ọbịa were nke a the shower this thing a na-eji n'akacha asa ahụ. This is this one na tap. Long tap. Yeah, ihe gbasara kitchen. A na-etinye na kitchen. Yeah, long tap. A na-etinye na kitchen. No, yeah, tap. Some things. This is WC. I have WC. WC. WC.
Can make nke
make transport.
Okay. Ego ne ka na
transport. You're not getting now 25,000 now.
25,000.
Yeah.
What of Nkanu you go sell? Ego ne ka on.
Getting now 21,000 naira.
21,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We keep you on and we on. Pumping price again.
Yeah, kita aboga. I ekwu on mana o ebele ya so ekwu on ebele ka ya ma.
Ebele ka ga ma no. Okay. So what of nke go sell ebe a? Nke dị ka.
Nke a kitchen tap.
Ego ne ka na.
Kitchen tap. Nke a kita na 11,000.
11,000.
Yeah, 11,000 kitchen tap.
Okay.
Yeah. I work on melme tap kwa. Enwe tap, melme tap a na-eti ma ebe.
Ka kita ego ne ka na.
Nke a kita na 1,500.
Okay.
So melme things this na shop. Nke a bụ flavor collector.
Okay.
Flavor collector. This one na flavor collector. Ya nke na-ebuba mmiri na WC. Ọ na-connect ebuba mmiri.
It connects water into the water system.
Yeah, the water system. I connect with the water system.
What of this one? What is
Nke a kita Magic West.
Magic
Magic West.
Okay,
Magic West. Another one na basin.
Okay, na basin.
Tia na basin. Eji akwa aka. We collect it to. About yeah, Magic milisi waste of water. See up into basin and the kitchen.
Kendi de gasi ya, kendi de gasi ya.
Yeah, kita abo. This is this is control. Control water. Mmiri.
Okay.
Mmiri
Water control.
From toilet.
From toilet and from
from tap.
Okay.
Mmiri from tap.
Okay. What of this one? Is this a tape?
This is not 3 tape.
Okay.
Tape. We have 3 tape. Tape. This one na 500 naira.
500 naira. What of this one you go see now?
This one now no kita 6,000 naira.
Okay, 6,000.
One.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what of yenda they can see about?
This is in the gum. Yeah, lolo dia. Gum. This is gum. Kita now 1,500.
What of
this one? This is a pan collector. Pan collector 2,300.
2,300 naira.
Pan collector.
Okay.
That
got side. Iya ginger.
Iya potty. Iya jangan see something. Say ya lolo. Iya lolo jangan see something. This is for shower loads. Shower loads na shower loads. Ana na yema.
KJM.
Ana na shower pool. Ana na collect na pool. Shower pool. Ebe mmiri si abụ ekpọrọ mmiri ọ na-awụsị na asa ahụ.
Okay. Ego ole ka nke anọ ya na?
Nke a kịta nwe 1,001.
11. Okay. Ndị a kịta na ka egosi.
This one kịta bụ na na-akpọ West. West ihe ma West. Tibe na toilet. Tie na bathroom.
Filter, ọ na-filter ihe all these particles ịba n'ime.
No, ihe na-eti na bathroom ị na-asa waste mmiri anyị na-eji asa ọ na-apụta ọ na-abara ebe a na-apụ. Ọ na-apụrụ onwe.
Ego ole ka ndị nke anọ ya kịta?
This one na 600 naira.
600. Okay. What of ndị a nọsị ebe ego ole ka ọ nọsị na ya?
This one na kita na 1,008. Ya na akpọ mo 406 cross.
Okay.
406 ya ma pụrụ.
Okay.
So
what of ndị nke a dị ebe?
Ndị nke a bụ 4x2T. 4x2T. This one na T. 460. Nke a 4x2T.
Ego one ka anọ na ya?
This is T nọ 900 naira.
Okay.
This one nọ 850.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ụmụ ya na-ewesi fake ya, ọ na-ewe fake ya?
Ọ na-enwe fake o, mana ọ na-enwe the annual one, ngwa annual one.
Okay, ordinary one or foreign or local.
Nke a kịta bụ nye one, o nwere annual one. Nekwa ka m gosi example ya. Annual one ya nke akwa. Ọ na-achị otu a, ya kịta bụ isi annual one.
Okay, ordinary one. So mana nke na-aka last.
Mba, this one bụ
nke a. This particular one na-aka last.
The white one na-aka last.
So gosikwa nke anọ ka nke dị nke.
This one na bend. You call it bend. Eji eme bụ eji connect West WC toilet ya ebe ọsọ ihe the point ebe ọsọ ije eti channel tie the point ebe ọ ya.
Okay. Ego ole ka ọ nọ kịta ha?
Ya na kịta 700 naira.
700 naira per one.
Yeah. 700 naira one. This is 45. They call it 45.
Again.
45 degree.
Okay. Okay.
4 inches. And no same price, 700 naira. This is tank pack knot. Tank pack knot. And I call it tank tank. And I thought you in a tank. Overhead tank.
This one is how much now?
This one now 800 naira.
800.
800 naira. So
In that what of these ones?
those
This
this
one.
thing na fittings.
Okay, fittings.
Fittings yalo basale water no supply water. Yeah, fittings yalo supply water.
Okay.
Many
What
fittings.
of these ones that are here?
This one I don't yeah, this one I
Cabo host. Is it
car
host?
host. Yeah, host. Host.
Ego echi go car kete ego ne ko ego.
I live by meter. I live by square meter. Square meter I have 600 naira.
Okay, 600 naira.
Meter.
Okay. What of this is basic, right?
No, this one now
Sink.
kitchen sink. Kitchen sink.
Okay.
This one now kitchen sink.
Ego ne kan no
Can 18,000 now.
Ke making or falling ko local sink.
Yeah, foreign. I go Belgium. Yeah, foreign.
Okay, Belgium. Where
Belgium for Nigeria lose.
Okay.
Car.
What of Yenda?
This one na shower pole.
Okay, shower pole.
Yeah, na car shower pole.
Okay.
Shower pole. Can car.
Ego ne ko no keta na afi.
You want to get
2,600. What of this sink no? Igbolokwa ego na area. How much is this one the market?
Get 1,000, 18,000.
18,000 for one.
For one.
Okay.
A single one. Car single one.
Single one.
Single double. Car single, car double.
Company name.
Car kita sumi car about sumi home. Home. So I car kita no 8,000 naira each one.
Space is really stocked. Okay. Okay, let's go outside to see what you have there too. Okay. So you man. So this is you go say in there and
okay, yeah, kita 4 inches pipe.
4 inches
pipe. Niger.
Okay.
Niger. This one you call Niger.
Okay, the name is Niger.
Niger. The original one.
Okay, original one.
Original one. Each one now 4,500.
4,500.
Yeah, Niger.
I'm seeing different sizes here. I'm seeing different sizes. Yes. Full sizes there.
Yeah, big size. Yeah, big size. There's some kind of both 3 inches pipe.
Okay.
On kita 3,008.
3,008 for this one.
Niger. 3,008. 3,008.
What of this?
2 inches. This small one now.
Okay, this one is 2 inches.
2 inches. Okay. Niger. Yeah. So 2 inches Niger no 2003. 2003. Yeah.
Okay. What of this one?
This is 1 inch. 4,005. Niger. About 3,005. It gave from 1 inch. 1 inch be 2,003.
Polish.
1 inch. 1 inch.
Okay, 1 inch.
1 inch.
Okay. Yeah. And these ones too.
Oh, free was pipe. This one.
Car different color. Okay.
Car free ya ke jaro. Ye jaro mo no color. Oh, free ya color ke.
Okay.
Sentence. Ye jaro ka ke jaro. No,
okay, so another thing we like or you would like us to tell us is tell us how you do this business. KKC in our supply or some don't know Anambra in our supply or you also supply don't know outside Anambra. Also Anambra in a job because from what you told us, you said that you are also the mechanic. You get? You yourself do the work. That everybody on a contract, you can take care of the contract too. So I think we go. So go and look you work more on than a logo.
Some na but before if one more na room. More na room for etc. How much I go settle her.
Okay, settle her.
So
what of you were a very big project to take you handle for now?
Project we kita for now. When my season do have na meje I know
okay you go okay, so can you really keep our clients, you know, all over the world? what would you like to tell them about your business?
Ma-agwa onye ọbụla nọ ebe nọ nọkịta na-agwa ya maka biznes a na biznes a ihe gbasara plumbing work ama ma amụrụ ya amụ mụchaa ya amụọ nwee the certificate of the work. Yes, you can make a show you certificate of the work.
Okay.
Yeah, I have the certificate of this work. Yeah, this is certificate of this work. So give me the certificate of this work.
Mobilus plumbing work.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the name of our gam.
Okay, Mobilus plumbing work.
Yes. Yeah.
So, we go see na
yes.
And you are very good at you give only quality.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Very good.
Yeah.
So, viewers over the world, you have seen that you are at the right place. Please don't forget and don't hesitate to give him your contract. He's a very strong hand and a well-proven one at that. Because he also talk with Matanaka Gebo. Why your business name? Why your phone numbers? I get you in case of onye cholo in this contract or it's okay in a particular place. So igwa eketa na igwakwa ya afa gị except na CCO company dey to anu. Then why the location ebe anyị nọ in as well as na you before ka anu ya n'ọnụ gị weta. Then nyekuzi anyị nọmba anyị eju na-enweta gị if possible ọ bụ na nke nọ na WhatsApp.
Okay, mo afam ihe ma na mekwu agbụgbọ m afam bụ Chike Nzomiwu abụ onye ala ele and ebe anyị nọ kịta bụ ụmụdege Akwaeze ka anyị nọ kịta ebe a ka ma ọkụmash m dị nọ so and number my address na bụ afam bụ Shibros. My address work Shibros plumbing work.
Nigeria. Shibros plumbing works Nigeria.
Yeah.
Okay.
So and the number again with them was 080 649 666 33.
Okay. Well, this one also.
Yeah. 080 649 666 33.
Okay. Oh, we number zero kwa ewe kiji nwatakwa gị.
Our number ọzọ m nwekwara ka m nweta gị. Number ọzọ m nwekwara. 080 86 19 02 02.
Gbaalụkwa ya ọzọ maka ndị na-anụ ya before.
080 86 19 02 02.
Very good.
Yeah.
Darling, anyị na kenekwuzi anụ Obi Real Estate maka ọrụ ọma ọ na-alụ.
Biko a na-ekelekwa ụnụ ọrụ ọma ụnụ amụ ruo mụ seko I'm very happy. Ụnụ bịa na ma shọpụ na mmemme entertainment bịa vidio mụ jụọ mụ some question. So I'm very happy.
Okay. Our viewers all over the world, you have heard from the CEO of Shibros Plumbing Works, who is on all kinds of, who is into plumbing mechanics, dealers and suppliers of building and plumbing materials. He has told us everything that we need to know about what he's doing and what he's selling. If you listen to him carefully, you understand that any project you're undertaking, be it in your office or for home use or what have you, that he is capable to supply you any plumbing materials that you need, and he also will also take care and undertake that project for you, both in the installations and what have you, even monitoring the people that are doing it if he should get people to do it on for you. Do you understand? So like I always tell you, OB Estate is ever reliable. OB Estate is always at a call away to be at your service. Call on us to do this project for you. Call on us to manage this project for you. Call on us to manage that property for you. We will always give you the best. There is none like Obi Real Estate. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. I remain your favorite, the king from Obi Real Estate. I am wishing you here from Akweze. Don't go away. Wait for the next video. Bye.